Smoke Alarm Collection, January 2025. So let's get started. EI166 Smoke Alarm, EI164 Heat Alarm, EI144E Heat Alarm, DETA 1163 Smoke Alarm. By the way, this alarm, EI166, replaced by January 2025. EI144E, replaced by July 2033. DETA 1163, replaced by May 2031. EI161 Smoke Alarm, replaced by January 2026. EI146 Smoke Alarm, replaced by December 2024. Two I9040 EUs. This one works, but this one here goes off randomly. I tried replacing the battery on it, but it did not work. And it still went off. Fire Angel SI601, replaced by August 2025. First Alert SA88 UK, replaced by 2003. Dicon 650M, replaced by October 12th, 2017. Dicon 300, BRK 86 RAC, replaced by 2005. Older Square EI Smoke Alarms. This is a EI100 BN, EI100S. Also, I have the Escape Light one, the EI100L. All of these replaced by May 2009. BRK CO400, replaced by December 2018. Honeywell XC100, replaced by March 2028. Honeywell XC100, replaced by April 2023. EI207, replaced by June 2032. EI208, replaced by April 2026. There are more smoke alarms in the collection. Family Guard Smoke Alarm. Oh, it is a Family Guard FG888L, replaced by 2003. Firex 5086, replaced before 2016. Bye guys.